Hi, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you today about this Google Pixel 3. I think this is a great phone. One thing I really like is the camera. It takes awesome pictures. Of course, you have all of your normal modes, portrait, video. You even have a night sight mode, which will help you take great pictures in the dark. Another thing I really like about the phone is the back Touch ID fingerprint sensor. So if you're just holding your phone comfortably, normally, and you want to turn it on, you just have to reach up and fingerprint on the back and it will turn your phone on just like that. So I think that's a really neat feature. Of course, the phone is sleek. It has that nice sleek glass back, and the screen offers sharp and vibrant details so you can really enjoy your work, enjoy your pictures. And the size is great. It's on the smaller side, so if you're looking for something you can use one-handed or can slip easily into your pocket or into your purse, this is a great option. Overall, I'm very impressed with this phone, and that is my point of view.